United Democratic Party akan riu teri uno pra kala Pynbna Paidbah thup Kyrteng baning kong jongki Kyrtong kiban aireng haka Elekshon ban long haus nam arhajar arkulai. Yaki Kyrteng jongki Kyrtong la pediang ngobha bat penskem lu presiden ke UDP ba Ahmed ba lungdo haka jingalang ka balong ha office kam ka parti. Kini ki Kyrtong bala Pynbna mentagas ni kiken thup lang nak district Kilung Khasi Jantia bat Garu. Ba Ahmed ba lungdo haka ni kasni ula Pynbna ru baka thup ka baar an sa peni interpretation hauni no pra.
MDC and Chief Executive Member of the Party Autonomous District Council. Constituency. He is presently MDC and EM in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in charge of home and education. He is also presently the MDC in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council from 16 Shangpung constituency. Autonomous District Council. For a party, and today I feel that it is also a very special day for the party. In fact, we are the first party to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today.